Okay, this is the third in the series of JavaScript tutorials. Let's talk about interactive JavaScript. So, as a first line of code on JavaScript, we are going to use a function called confirm. So, what is confirm? Confirm, and we'll also be using prompt function. These functions show pop-ups to the user. Confirm only asks user to either click on cancel or OK, whereas prompt actually asks the user to enter an input. Now stay with me. It is possible that if this is your very first programming experience, very first programming lesson, you might actually get bogged down or you might not understand anything, but I request you to stay with me, stay tuned. You'll surely very shortly realize that this is not as difficult as it might sound like initially, but once you get used to it and you get very used to it, the drill of it, then it will feel kind of quite easy and quite straightforward actually. Let's see how confirm and prompt functions actually work. These pop-ups appear quite a lot on websites across the internet. Let's actually go ahead and create one of those pop-ups. So I'll create a pop-up and I'll write confirm. I'll start it in this manner. This is the syntax. So whatever goes in between over here, I just right now wrote 5 dots. Whatever goes in between over here will actually appear on the pop-up that the user sees. So I have zoomed in a bit just so that to make it very clear. So I want to confirm, do you want to learn JavaScript? Okay, now as I click on enter, you'll see a pop-up and there you go. So it says, do you want to learn JavaScript? If I click on OK, it just goes and it returns true, but if I click on cancel, it returns false. So it is returning a value. Again, what does the word return mean? Stay with me, you'll see it very shortly, but it is returning true or false based on what user selected, and then we can manipulate this particular true or false that was returned back to define how it will proceed further. So we can use this value so that we are able to judge that how to proceed further. So if a user says cancel, we should not make them go to the same page or show them the same thing that they would be shown if the user had actually said OK, because OK means they are agreeing to proceed further, cancel means they are not agreeing to proceed further. Now let's see how prompt works. Prompt. I'll prompt what is your age. This is same as confirm in the sense that it will again throw a pop-up dialog, but it will now allow the user to actually enter a value as input. So let me prompt, and now it is asking me what is your age. So I'm going to say 25 and say OK. So it returned the value 25 as you can see over here. Say for example your age is 15 and then it returns the value 15. So that is how it works. Let me clear this. You can clear this using this icon over here, clear console log, or you can even use the shortcut key Control plus L. So let me clear console log. Okay, now let me again type prompt, are you ready to get started with JavaScript? Let me close this and hit enter. So it asks me, are you ready to get started with JavaScript? I say yes, definitely I am, and I hit OK. So it says yes, definitely I am. So this is how basically functions, small pop-ups work on JavaScript. Stay tuned, there's more to come.